Let's deploy a simple Node.js application. Head to the AWS console and navigate to EC2. Create a security group, open HTTP and HTTPS for web traffic, SSH for server access, and port 8080 for our Node.js app. Now let's create an RSA key pair in .ppk format. We need this private key to authenticate our connection to the server. Let's launch the instance. We'll name it EC2 Node.js App Server and keep the default OS. We are choosing the t2.micro instance type. Choose the newly created key pair and the security group. Keep everything else default and click on Launch Instance. Once it's running, copy the public IPv4 address, open PuTTY, paste the IP address in the hostname field, then go to SSH, auth, credential, and browse the key pair. Click Open, click on Accept, and enter the default username for Amazon Linux, which is EC2 user. Now we will download Git and Node.js. First enter the command to download Git. We'll use nvm to install Node as it allows to switch between the Node version. We'll follow the AWS official documentation to install nvm and Node.js. Follow the instruction and install Node.js. Now head over to the Git and copy your repo link. Clone the repo in your instance, and then run npm install to install all the required packages for the app to run. Now use commands to run the app. Test it using Postman with the software to test the API. Okay, it works perfectly and you can see the output as response. But there is an issue. Once we terminate our SSH session, the app no longer runs. To keep it running in the background, even after closing the session, we need to use some services. We can use PM2, which can run the app in the background even after closing the session. Now to install the PM2, use the npm command and install the PM2 globally. Use the command pm2 start app.js to run the app in the background. You can check the status of the app using the command pm2 status. As you can see, the app runs perfectly in the background even after closing the session. In the next tutorial, we'll make our server more secure by installing the SSL certificate. Follow for more, and thanks for watching.